everybody, JD Man here today on the RSV4 1100. It's finally spring. It's like got up to 81 degrees today. The second time now I've got to ride this bike. I was like, there was thunderstorms today forecast, and I keep a cover at work. I brought my rain gear with me just in case. I lucked out, didn't get any rain yet. Oh, this bike. All I know is it's gonna get me in trouble. That was me. I didn't lift my foot far enough on the shift. I got my CD race boots on. But yeah, I am finally happy to start enjoying this bike. Hopefully I get more days, but it's looking like more rain and cold and crap, so it's like probably not gonna, this is Wednesday, so it's probably not gonna be till next week that I'm gonna get to ride it again. I still have the trusty old GS, and I tell you, I'm glad, you know, in the wintertime I dropped the collision insurance on all the bikes except for the GS, and I haven't got them, put them back on yet, because I'll tell you, it's not been nice. And hopefully, usually by the beginning of April I'm able to ride, but man, this year it's been crappy. We just, you know, keep getting these late storms, and then they go and have to put more salt or anti-skid out, and it's like, nope. But I do have I got a tail tighty for this to put on. I've got radiator guards to put on it. I just ordered tank grip pads for it. And I have my Kriega dry bag on the back right now, a 20 liter, got it set up, and I got a set up here for a tank bag. So I'm just waiting for the bag to show up. I've got the mount on the gas cap already. I'm all ready for the, I ordered the mount, wanted to be sure it would work, because it for these, being as a 21, it was like kind of iffy, but it did. So I'm going to do a video on luggage solutions for this bike, for the 2021 Aprilia RSV4. Some of you probably say, why the hell would you want luggage on that? Well, you know, I like to commute with it, so I can put my lunch bag, and yeah, like in the morning, if I gotta wear a little bit heavier clothes, I can shove them in there. And I got my wet gear I can keep in there, so along with my backpack. And a tank bag will also make it nice for you know, if you just want to go out riding for a day, you know, to shove some water, or, you know, I carry a first aid kit with me all the time. I pray I never need it for myself or anybody I ride with, but if I do, I have it. So It's always a good idea, I think, to carry one, because you never know. But I just filled this up with gas. I put 93 in it. I want to make a trip to Sunoco and see if they have any 94. Just to take it easy on for this and the Street Fighter. You know, I never run anything less than 93 in that, and I think you're asking for trouble. Yes, but like that bike's got 14-to-1 compression. You don't want to have spark knock, pre-detonation, because these valves, it's bad enough you got to do a valve job, but as much as we do valve checking that, just don't want to be hammering on the seats and that. So you definitely want to run the best fuel you can in these. That sound, that's more what you're hearing, I'm gonna say, is more the intake sound. But I have been kicking around the idea of just putting a can on it. I see that MIV does make one. I kind of like the sound of theirs. I had it on my Multistrada, and my Speed Triple has it on. So, been thinking about that. That's later on down the road. So, I also got a cover, protective cover for the display there, with a TFT, so don't get all scratched up. So yeah, I got a lot of stuff to do, and stuff I wanted to do over the winter, but then my furnace went for my garage, and I'm finally getting it squared away here, so I didn't have any heat, so really didn't do anything over the winter time. So yeah, I want to get this all done. I want to do a big service on the GS, and get the IT400 back together. I had it bored out, and got a new piston because I had a little bit of a piston slap in that. Get that so I can ride that, do some off-road. So much stuff, so many plans, and I know I'm not going to get a third of it done this year. It's just how it goes. So, alrighty everybody, just want to give you a quick update there, and like I said, watch out for the luggage video for this bike. I did that one for the Street Fighter, and it's doing pretty good. It's getting good many views, so hopefully somebody will find it informative. Just way to expand the use of this bike, because it's slow speed around town manners to me so far, but pretty good. And take a trip, just when it comes time to filling up, take a little bit of a break, and yeah, just expand, use this bike for more than just ripping and running around the track. So, alright everybody, this is JD, man. Live your life. Peace.